Okay, we are back and joined by Rick Heim and Curtis Fleming. Curtis Fleming of Fly Rod Chronicles fame, can I say? But tell us about your story. How did you get to this?
Yeah,
and slide that over just a little bit more. There, yeah, you can move it with the. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Well, everybody thinks it's just fishing, Gary, and I think
it's all play.
That's right. That's right. They see blue skies and hungry, dumb fish,
and you holding fish.
It just I think fishing is actually probably 5% of the job.
Yeah.
It's planning the trips, it's keeping up with sponsors, and everything that goes into it.
But tell us how your path to this. The short version, because I'm guessing that it seemed like you always liked fishing, but I don't know that at 13 you kind of said,
What we need is local control.